Bluey crept quietly behind the couch, her tail swishing and her eyes gleaming. Tonight wasn't just any game, oh no, tonight she was a dinosaur. She wore a green scaly costume with sharp teeth stitched across the hood, claws on her paws, and a roar so big it shook the room. "RRRAAWRRR," she growled, sending a shiver of excitement through the air. Bingo gasped. "Bluey, you look terrifying. Are you really going to scare someone?" Bluey grinned under the hood. "That's the plan, Bingo. But shhh, don't spoil the surprise." Bandit walked past with a plate of snacks. Bluey leapt out with a thundering stomp. Roar! Bandit jumped so high the snacks flew everywhere. "Whoa! A dinosaur in my house?" He clutched his chest dramatically. Bingo laughed so hard she nearly rolled on the floor. But Bluey wasn't done. She stomped toward the backyard, her claws scratching the grass, her roar echoing across the fence. Coco and Snickers were playing ball when Bluey pounced. Roar! Coco squealed, dropping the ball, while Snickers hid behind the tree. "It's a monster," they shouted, before realizing it was Bluey. Everyone burst out laughing, but Bluey puffed her chest proudly. Then came Lucky, running with his hat. "What's all the noise?" Bluey stomped closer, tail dragging. "Dinosaur hungry," she bellowed. Lucky shrieked and sprinted in circles until he collapsed giggling. But suddenly, something strange happened. The night grew windy. The shadows stretched across the lawn. Bluey roared again, but this time, the sound echoed louder than before. Almost real. Bingo's eyes widened. "Bluey, was that you?" The ground seemed to rumble. The kids froze. Then, from the bushes, a dark shape moved. Everyone gasped. Could it be another dinosaur? Bluey held her breath. The shape grew larger, closer, until out hopped Muffin wearing a tiny T-Rex costume. Roar! "I'm the baby dinosaur," she shouted. The yard exploded with laughter. Bluey and Muffin stomped together, roaring in unison. "Double dinosaurs!" Coco squealed, falling into the grass. Bandit shook his head. "I don't think this neighborhood can survive 2 dinosaurs in one night." Bluey pulled off her hood, smiling wide. Costumes can be fun, but scaring friends together is the best adventure. Everyone gathered, still laughing, the moon shining above. Bingo whispered, "You were the scariest dinosaur ever." Bluey winked. "Wait until the next surprise. And hey, if you loved roaring with us tonight, stick around, because the next story will shake the ground even more."